Hey guys, welcome back to another zpult unboxing, and today we're gonna take a look at a minimalist wallet for today. This is the Cuicka minimalist wallet, around 300 pesos or $5 from Lazada. Very cheap for a wallet, and you do get that kind of leather-ish kind of texture. Really cool color. Also, you do get that lock here at the side, and of course at the other side you do get leather as well in terms of the overall texture. The size is pretty thin. Also, this is what you're paying for, you know, the thinness of the overall design, minimalist look altogether. Of course, at this side you do get that kind of maybe key holder or an additional card. So here, you know, you can place maybe your most used credit card maybe here at this side, and it does fit really nicely. And of course, you do get that button to secure your stuff. Of course, inside you get a lot of options in terms of the storage. You do get a credit card holder here, so this will fit, you know, your usual credit cards. Here also can fit your credit cards as well. Here at this side you can fit as well your credit card, and of course you do get that kind of see-through kind of design, so you can maybe put a photo or maybe your ID there at the side. So really cool. And here you have actually some unique design overall, the flaps kind of design, so you can maybe put a, you know, credit card here also. And of course you do get that money clip here at the side. So you actually have a lot of options here, because you can just put your money clip here. So the money clip actually, it clips as well, so it will be really easy to put your money in. Of course, this will fit any peso, as you can see guys, and it closes really nicely. And because of this clip, it holds down the money in place, so it won't be, you know, flying around. So if you put it out, you know, you will have your money really secure here. But of course, you know, if your money is thick enough, so it won't be that much secure, maybe around 10 bills here, so not a lot of bills, but you can actually do that, or maybe even do this kind of thing, maybe fold your bills and put it here at this side. So this is also something that you can do depending on your preference and how you secure your stuff. Definitely you have a lot of options here. So Cuicka, creativity is everywhere. You do get that kind of texture, vinyl-ish texture. You also do get nice stitching at this side, makes it look more even premium. And of course you do get that kind of grayish kind of color inside. And yes, of course, in terms of the overall design, it's pretty minimalist. It's a minimalist kind of design. There's no coin holder here also, but what's good here is, of course, when you fold it, you have very thin kind of size, which will maybe fit in your front pocket. Of course, you can, you know, just need to load this the minimalist way that you can. So that is why, you know, you buy minimalist items in general, because you do want, you know, not a lot of stuff in your pocket. Yes, this the Cuicka minimalist wallet. Of course, this is an unboxing. Really cool looking leather-ish design, and yeah, kind of premium build also for around $300. Premium looking, but of course it's not your leather kind of design, but premium enough for around $300. $5 premium enough for around 300 php. $5, I'm gonna link it down in the comments below and description, also from Lazada and AliExpress. If you want one, of course use my links, it will help out the channel a lot. And that is our look at the Cuicka minimalist wallet. Really cool. If you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future, and leave a comment down below what you're using, if you're using a minimalist wallet. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.